Justin, we're with Liberty Forged Wheels. We're a forged wheels manufacturer in Claremore, Oklahoma. The dark light gloves are great. They're thick, they stretch over big hands, they don't tear when you're pulling them on, when your hand's got coolant or anything along those lines on them. The smart rags are great. The tissue box design where you can just pull them out, use them. When we're doing it, they get covered in aluminum chips and we can just throw them away when we're done and just grab a new one.
You know what? You might have just sold us on a product,
buddy.
It's really hard to tear these gloves, man. I like them. As a matter of fact, I'm taking this box. Thanks.
Best glove I've ever tried on.
This is Alex from Adenna, and we are here with Rebuilding Generations.
Rebuilding Generations is a nonprofit youth program where we teach the kids how to restore, rebuild, work on cars. It's awesome that you guys see the next generation and see the value in that and helping them to be able to prepare for their job. You know, we've been able to put 23 kids in jobs over the last 10 years, and you guys have been a part of almost that whole time.
Right.
So, you know, we can't thank you enough. Without companies like yours, we wouldn't be able to do what we do.